Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to convert a expression, infix expression, into the postfix, where instead of mathematical operators, arithmetic or mathematical operators, we are using the operators like not, or, and. Fine. Now we'll see that one. This is the expression not A, or not B, not C. Okay. Now here what I will do, the order of evaluation we have to prepare first. From this side we will come over here, not A, or not B, and not C. Means not A, or not B, and not C. We have done it. The priority of order is not, and or. What will be the priority? We know that one. Last day also we have done it. Okay, in the arithmetic operators or the mathematical operators, the priority is brackets, then expression, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Like that way, here what is the order? Order is not, and or. Fine. Now what I will do, first we will do the not. Now what I have done, A not. Fine. A not, or B not, I putting the postfix, C not. Okay. So what will going to be happen? A not, or B not, or C not. Now converting the infix to the prefix operations, operators are put before the operand. Here you will see that one, it will be put before the operands. Fine. In the infix what will going to, in the infix what will operator will be put before the operands. So we are converting this one in the postfix, this one first, this one first, this one first. Now we will find the operation of what? Find the operation of and. Fine. A not as usual, or is there, B not, C not, and will change the and operator to the end. Fine. Now what we have done, A not, B not, C not, and or. Things has been over there. Fine. Once again, so what we are doing, we are converting a infix operation into the postfix expression. Fine. With the operators. Operators means not with the arithmetic operators. Fine. Here the operators are not, or, like that way. Now what is the expression? Expression is this. Now order of evaluation we are going to put it over there. Now we should, before that we should learn the priority. Priority is not, and or. A not A, or not B, and not C. Okay, and not C means this one or this one. Fine. If you evaluate this one, not A, or not B, and not C. Okay. Priority order all we have understand. So what we have done, first we will do the not. A not. From not A I have done it, A not. Or is remain as usual. B not. Then the C not. Fine. Now we will do the and. A not, or B not, C not, and. Now we will do the or. A not, B not, C not, and or. Fine. I think you have understood this one.